Hello, dear friends. Today we are going to learn how to use the library's Epic account on an iOS device. So the first thing we're going to do is press App Store, and then we're going to search for Epic. We found it right here. So we're going to click Download, and it's a pretty big program, so it's going to take a little while to download. While it's downloading, let's watch this video about what it has available. So you see you win awards, you can watch videos, and you can take quizzes on things that you've learned while you're reading. Epic has unlimited reading and learning, so you never have to worry about reaching a cap. There are 40,000 books available on Epic. There are audiobooks, ebooks, videos, and quizzes, and everything is for kids aged 12 and under. There are tons of nonfiction titles. Some of the titles even have a read with me option. And you get personalized reading based on your reading level and interest. So now we're going to open the app. And then we're going to click Have an Account, Sign In. We're a student, and then we'll put in our class code. Our class code is LJX1804. We're going to click Go. And you're in our class. So if your name is not on this profile, you can create a new profile. And today we are going to create a profile for Fox. And now Fox has access to all sorts of different reading materials. Click to explore the Epic Library with us.